using my analog camera, hoping to capture that smile after so many years. I took a picture of you using my analog camera, hoping to capture that soul after so many songs I wrote. When I got the pictures back, your face were all in the dark. Got me wondering why, then I realized you will always be a locked character, forever in silhouette for me. Something I can't reach, something I can't touch. You will always stay a faded memory, hanging on in my mind. My camera, you did not lie. It's telling me the truth. I took a picture of you using my analog camera, hoping to capture those shades in your eyes and in your face. I took a picture of you using my analog camera, hoping to capture that time before you went away again. When I got the pictures back, your face were all in the dark. You got me wondering why, but then I realized you will always be a locked character, forever in silhouette for me. Something I can't reach, something I can't touch. You will always stay